I've been waiting so long for this trip to just travel South America, to just explore the continent, a continent I've never been before. So finally I get to go there and do whatever the hell I want. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Awesome to see all your beautiful faces once again. It's that time of year, the travel bug has hit me and I am off on another long-term backpacking trip. So I've resigned from my job once again, and yesterday was my last day, and today I am literally off to the airport. So like always, last minute planning, last minute packing. I was supposed to do like a packing video to show you guys how I packed and what I packed. But I ended up sleeping at 3 AM last night, just last minute putting everything together. Didn't even finish and had to wake up at 6 and then left home at 7 to go to the airport. My flight's at 11, so I have not slept very much. So I think I'm just gonna conk out once I get on the plane. So this morning, taking me to the airport, I am here with Shizu and Mom and Dad.
Hey, Kuya, bye.
Hey, taking me to the airport. Now I've been worried all morning since we left because I am 100% sure I forgot something.
He's fine. He's just being nervous.
As long as I get out of the country and I can board that plane, then I think I could just buy and make do with whatever I have. So not too long now guys, 15 minutes before we get to the airport, so I'll see you guys there.
Oh. Bye. Kuya, you take care.
Okay. Bye bye. Got everything? Bye bye. All checked in and ready to go, and it's closing to the part where we have to say goodbye. Oh no! Oh no! But that's okay because the plan, guys, is I'm going to Malaysia for a week, and then Shizu's actually leaving end of this week, and we are meeting up in Japan. And so after a week in Malaysia, it's 3 weeks in Japan. So it's not goodbye yet.
Yet.
But after the 3 weeks in Japan, that's when I fly to South America, and then that's when it will be goodbye. Sayonara, is she gonna be sad? Are you gonna be sad?
You're gonna be sad. I'll see you in a week.
I'll see you in a week? Okay. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye, Nichan. Alright guys, nearly time to board now, and I've got to say I am so pumped for this trip. You don't even understand how I've been in the last few weeks leading up to this. I've been waiting so long for this trip to just travel South America, to just explore the continent, a continent I've never been before, to learn Spanish, and all these things I thought of doing and wanted to do even before Southeast Asia 3 years ago. So finally I get to go there and do whatever the hell I want. But first, before I go there, we're gonna do a quick stop over at Malaysia just for one quick week, just to visit a few friends and have an awesome adventure. So I've been really pumped for that. Pretty much the next month, there's gonna be something on every single day. And then when I head to South America, it's a one-way flight, and then who knows what's gonna happen. All right, stop yapping, and it's time to board. And we have finally arrived in KL. Oh my God, I cannot believe I am here right now. Literally, when I stepped out of the plane, I just had this feeling, I had the biggest smile on my face, felt the humidity, I just took a deep breath in, and it feels so good to be back here, honestly. So that was a 9-hour flight. Literally, I was just like meditating on the plane, didn't have anything to eat, didn't even have a sip of water. So I am starving right now, so I'm gonna pass out soon. Still got this jacket on, so I haven't taken it off, and it's pretty hot here at the moment, but I don't really care right now. I'm just in the happiest mood. Nothing can bring my mood down. I'm just walking around this airport, the biggest smile on my face, and it's just amazing. I've never been happier to come back to a country than Malaysia. This is my 4th time here. I have never been to a country 4 times, so this is definitely top of the list. One tip, if you travel like me and you don't carry around a SIM or have any internet like what I am doing right now, is to set up all your apps before you go. So that's logging in, updating your apps, you know, because usually when you sign in into a new app, it sends like a verification code to your phone, and since I have no signal, I can't verify it. So I can't verify my Grab, I can't get into my account. So now I'm stuck with having to catch a taxi to KL. So it's probably gonna cost me a little bit more than just having bought a SIM card, but oh well, I'm a bit stubborn like that, so it's the way I choose to travel. But check this out. So good. It's past 7 o'clock right now and it's still bright. In Sydney, it's just past the middle of winter. It's relatively cold, but it's dark by 6 o'clock, so I don't even remember like it being this bright at 7 o'clock in Sydney. It's been too long. So back at home, $1 Australian was 2.03 ringgit. And then when I got to Malaysia, at the airport it was 2.6. So that's a massive difference in exchange rates. So never exchange your currency back at home. So it's just about an hour ride until we get to where we're going, but don't go anywhere because we are gonna visit an old friend. So stay tuned, and that's the only way you're gonna find out who it is.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll text you later.
Thank you. Hi. Oh my god. How are you?
What the
Good
fuck?
to see.
I was looking for you.
It took forever to get here. Seriously, the cab driver got lost and everything.
Oh my god. Sorry,
it's so
my
choppy.
house is so
This is
messy
nice.
shit, but like, oh my god.
Oh, let me put my bag there.